Hey guys, and welcome back to another video by Beauty by Bridget. I'm Bridget, and this is my channel. You can find me here on YouTube and also on Instagram at _beauty_by_Bridget_, on Twitter at BridgetBBeauty, and on TikTok at beauty_by_Bridget. Halfway through saying that, I realized that I had the ears on, and I almost couldn't hold it in. So today we are filming our second of our 3 Christmas videos, and I don't know if you've noticed, but I've gotten a little extra festive since the last video in that I have grown ears
you may notice
that are not my own. And in the spirit of these lovely ears that I have grown with my Christmas spirit, I'm going to be turning myself into a Christmas elf today. One of my absolute favorite things to do at Christmas is give gifts to people. I love it. It's one of my favorite ways to show love, like 5 love languages wise. And I love the look on people's faces when I get them something that they actually like, or that it hits a special memory or reminds them of something they love. And so in a way, I'm one of Santa's helpers anyway. So I might as well turn myself into an elf so that it's official, right? Before we get started, if you guys would go on ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel, it would really help us grow as a channel, which would help us reach more people. And if you could leave a comment down below as well, that would be great. But to be able to comment something, you probably need a video to see. So let's get started. So the elf look we're going for today is just gonna be a really fun, easy, more wearable look. There's a really big trend going on specifically TikTok right now where people just wear a lot of blush and they put it over their nose. And I had never really thought to like wear blush all the way across because in my mind I'm like, I've highlighted under my eyes. We're building the shapes. But I think the trend is really cute, and I also think that it's a really pretty look for certain occasions. And what better occasion than being an elf and having little like, oh, it's cold outside. I live in the North Pole. I'm a little flushed because I'm chilly vibes. I say as Bethany is wrapped up in a blanket burrito right now back there behind the camera because Beth is just chilly. Meanwhile, I'm in no way chilly, but we'll pretend for the video. So to accomplish this, I'm just gonna put on a bunch of blush. I'm already wearing some blush, but it doesn't really show up a ton on camera to begin with. So not only are we gonna go overboard to make it show up, but also because that's the trend. So I'm actually taking my elf blush palette.
Oh, wow, really on brand. Good job.
Wow, an elf using elf? Who would have thought?
We love a girl on theme.
Sponsor me, please.
That's asking a lot. We have 57 subscribers.
Yeah, I don't think that elf is gonna sponsor us, but I do use a lot of their products, so I mean. And they're really affordable, so if you guys are looking for affordable makeup products that are pretty high quality, elf is the brand for that. It stands for eyes, lips, face. So I'm just gonna take pink shades and just go to town. Don't be shy. Just go off.
You know, don't give up, just keep going.
I look like I have a sunburn.
That's fun too. Hey, listen.
Sunburn isn't fun.
Sunburn isn't fun, but listen. I always think that rosy cheeks are cute anyway, so like when someone has like just the sunburn across their face, isn't that kind of cute? Like, just like a little, like, you know, like, oh wow, they had such fun. It's like a sweet summer day and they've been outside and they went to the beach or something, you know, it's so cute.
I guess.
Okay.
This video is probably going to be considerably shorter than our other Christmas videos, but that's okay because the weekend that this comes out will be very close to Christmas, and therefore you're probably all going to be busy anyway. So you can just turn this on while you're making some cookies, wrapping some presents, maybe a present made by an elf. You never know. The residents of the home in which I live, so me and my roommates, we are never here on Christmas, so we have to do our Christmas stuff beforehand. So I step into the role of Santa, only for our home pre-Christmas. And I just fill stockings, and it's the most exciting thing in the whole world. And I love it too much. I'm too dedicated. I just love Christmas. Also, for any of you people out there that wanted to recreate this look, these suckers were $6. These suckers were $6 on Amazon, and they came really quickly because did we forget to order them in advance? Maybe. They look very cute. I'm pleased with them. They're not my exact skin color, but I don't think they're anyone's exact skin color, so. And I didn't really want to have to spirit gum anything to my ear because I think we did enough spirit gum in Halloween. It's time for Christmas spirit, not spirit gum.
Full-on professional cosplayer elf.
This is a fun little Christmas elf that you can do at home. Literally just a ton of blush and then some other stuff we're gonna add in a minute. Okay, so now that we are blushing, we're going to do some freckles. But because we're an elf and not a human, we're gonna do white freckles. Because are they freckles? Is it snowflakes that have majestically fallen on our face? The world may never know. Who's to say? Not me. I don't even know. And it's my face. So we're going to be taking white liquid lipstick and I'm going to take this little disposable tool that I bought and I'm just going to give myself some little white snowflake freckle polka dots. Just for fun. I've never done fake freckles before because they intimidate me. But guess we're trying that today. We've begun. Okay, so freckles are more concentrated on the nose, right? This is really pointy. I don't know what freckles look like. I always wanted freckles. When my mom gets a tan, she freckles. And I always wanted it. I just really felt like that was a gene I should have inherited, but didn't. I got freckles, Mom. Look, I made it. Another trend that's going around on TikTok is really shimmery eyeshadow. So not like my normal looks where I put a shimmer on top of it, but like fully not using mattes. So today we're gonna test that. I've got my Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, Ring the Alarm. It's the same one that I used on my sister in the Thanksgiving video. And I'm gonna take these two pinky shimmery shades and we're just gonna blush my eyelids, but with shimmer. Because it's a shimmer and it'll apply easier with my finger, I'm just gonna use my fingers. So this look, if you're gonna be able to recreate any of my Christmas looks, will be the one to recreate. Because it's just a lot of blush, some freckles that may or may not be white, and some pink shimmery shades on the lid with just your finger. So it's easy peasy, it's cute as heck, and it's festive. Bethany also brought up that the shimmers would be fun to do all over because sparkles are just magical. And Christmas is magical. And elves, pretty dang magical. So if we're gonna have a sparkly Christmas spirit filled video, we were gonna have to use a shimmer somewhere. This also brings me back, like in this moment, I'm sucked into like childhood Bridget stealing mom's makeup. I was never gonna go for a matte brown when I was about 7. That may be a go-to now, but not at age 7. Jackie, what do you think?
You look so cheerful.
Also, I got Christmas nails. Thank you, Mom. You can't really tell that it's super shimmery. This isn't as shimmery as... I'm just used to glitter.
Glitter, yeah, straight up glitter.
I've gotten very used to just
glitter.
hacking loose glitter that has to be glued to my face onto my eyes. Anything less than that, I'm like, this is so subtle. And like, no, it's not, Bridget. You're just crazy. This is...
Are you right-handed? Are you not ambidextrous?
I am not, in fact, ambidextrous. You know, maybe I could just use my left hand. Wow! I'm so talented. I'm a makeup artist, if you didn't know. Makeup artist. I am now going to take my Jeffree Star Brain Freeze palette, the Skin Frost Pro palette, and I'm going to take this really pink highlighter shade and just kick that shimmer up a notch. 'Cause why not? Once again, going in with my finger. Up one notch, Jeffree said, no honey, we're gonna take it up at least 4. The Grinch's heart grew 4 sizes, but my glow level grew at least 6. I'm gonna go back in with a little bit of that darker shimmer shade and just redarken that outer part. I'm just blended circular motion, windshield wiper motion. What are we thinking, ladies?
I love it.
Fellow elves, what do you think?
I adore it.
The faces I'm making, absolutely atrocious.
Very good.
Now I'm gonna take this like really light pink shade from this Skin Frost palette. This is the Platinum Ice Skin Frost palette. And I'm gonna take it on a very itty bitty rounded brush. Ooh, I'm gonna be a YouTuber. Look, I'm a YouTuber. I'm doing it. Anyway, I'm going to take the teeny tiny brush and take this little pink color, and we're just gonna inner corner it up. I was being careful at first. Now I have accidentally dug into the color.
You look like you got a little magic in you.
I got the magic.
This wasn't what I meant to do. Whoops.
Bethany regrets mentioning magic because I'm just gonna burst into song. I'm now gonna go back in with that same small brush that I wiped off on my apron, handy dandy apron. Thank you, Leanne, for making it. I'm gonna take that same darker shimmery shade and just brush that along the very, like, closest to my eye part of my lower lash line. Not gonna go too crazy, but just wanna bring a little bit of color down. So all we have left to finish off this elf look is lips and lashes. So I'm gonna do lips on camera, which is something I don't normally do. So you're welcome. So I'm gonna make it a little Christmassy to tie in with some of our accessories that you will see later. And do a red lip, but then I'm gonna give it a twist to tie in with the rest of the look. So I'm using Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in shade Are You Filming? Which is fitting because we're filming. I'm just so picky about my lips. Now I have a mustache. Now to tie together our red and our pink, I'm gonna take shade Ryland, this pretty metallic pink color, and I'm just, whoa.
And I'm just whoa.
Whoa. Just whoa. I'm going to put it right in the center. So now I'm gonna go off camera and do my lashes, but before I do that, I want to mention the lashes that I'm using. If you saw my last Christmas video, I talked about a new lash brand that I've been using called Luho Lashes, and I actually have a discount code with them. So if you want to order any of their lashes, you could use code Bridget20 and save 20%. It would help support me as a very small artist, and it would also help support this awesome company. They just started in 2020, which is a really rough year to start anything because of the pandemic. And they're a really small company, but they're run by very strong, empowering women of color in the United Kingdom. And that's something that I wholeheartedly want to support. And women supporting women is something that's important to me. And I'm super excited that they wanted to partner with me, even though I'm such a small influencer at this point. So I love my Luho lashes, and I really think that you will too. And you will get to see them in the glamour shots. And this is the completed elf look. I had a ton of fun doing it. It was definitely a lot more simple than the other ones we filmed already for Christmas. We filmed them out of order, so this is the last one we're filming, even though it's the second one that's coming out. So this was a fun breath of fresh air, just a little whimsical, magical, Christmassy easy elf moment. And I think it's one that you guys could easily recreate if you wanted to, so that's really exciting. Before you go, if you could like this video and subscribe and leave a comment down below, that would really help us grow and help other people to see my content as well. Thank you so much once again to Luho Lashes for believing in me as much as I believe in them. If you would like to save some money on Luho Lashes, you can use code Bridget20 at checkout to save 20%, and they make a great Christmas gift. Speaking of gifts, I should probably get back to the workshop. There's a lot to do, especially this close to Christmas, so I'm gonna go. But before I go, I'll see all of you beautiful people in the next one.
You good?
This elf is really struggling to get on her shelf.